Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Creation Unlimited with Sunita. In today's video, I am going to make 3 DIYs. First one is a coaster which I made with glue gun. Second one is a hanging succulent plant which again I made from glue gun. And the last one is a BOHO style vase. Okay, without further ado, let's start the video. As I am making a circle coaster, I took a circle shape. Mark the shape in the floor, or if you have a plastic acrylic sheet, you can use that also. Then draw any design of your choice, or you can take a printout and trace it. Now, with the help of the glue gun, copy the pattern. Do subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get instant notification of my latest videos. Let it dry for 5 minutes and then insert a scale or knife and remove the coaster. It will come out easily from the surface. Apply 3 coats of yellow ochre and then dab it with antique gold color. And finally, with a clear coat of varnish, coaster is ready. For the next DIY succulent hanging plant, I am using glue gun. Draw a straight line like this and make the petals in this way. I have some wires, so I use that also. Place it on the surface and make petals. You can remove this by just lifting it. I made some petals and kept aside. Now I am going to color this with lemon yellow and sap green. First, 2-3 coats of lemon yellow and then sap green. For the third DIY, here I am using jute rope, some wooden skewer, a glass bottle and 2 circle-shaped cardboard cutting. Paste these cardboard pieces together and then paste the bottle to the cardboard with glue gun and stick the skewer to the cardboard covering the bottle. Cover the whole bottle with these wooden skewers in this way. I kept a rubber band on the top of these sticks so that it will not move and stay in place. Now I am going to paste jute rope to the bottom part. For the upper part, first I will tie some jute ropes and then I will paste the rope in the same way as I did in the bottom. Okay friends, our vase is ready. Now for the palm leaves which I made with paper. I took a brown paper, fold it in a triangle shape. Tear the excess part and fold it in this way. Finally, fold it from the center to form a leaf shape. Cut the folded paper from the center. Now take one part and open it and paste a stick to the center. And hold the sides of the paper to form a leaf shape. Stick a paper cutting in the middle. Follow the same step for the other leaf also. I use green color to color the leaves. You can make any color leaves according to your choice. I hope you like my video. Please hit the like button. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Okay friends, take care and bye bye. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.